Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Kingo. In today's video, I will show you the best semi-automatic welding welder that's perfect for both pros and hobbyists. This machine does it all: MIG, TIG, MMA, and even plasma cutting. Let's get started. Product features: all-in-one versatility. The Ondeli MCT 520 DPL Pro is more than just a welder. It's a full metalworking station. This semi-automatic machine combines MIG, TIG, MMA welding, and plasma cutting into one compact unit, giving you the flexibility to tackle various tasks with ease. MIG welding with pulse control. Need precise welding for aluminum or carbon steel? The MIG mode supports pulse welding, making it perfect for 1 to 5 mm aluminum and up to 10 mm carbon steel. Simply switch between gas and gasless welding by adjusting the wire and setup. Clean plasma cutting performance. Say goodbye to jagged edges. The built-in contact plasma cut function slices cleanly through steel plates up to 8 mm thick and can cut up to 12 mm max. No separate plasma cutter needed, this machine does the heavy lifting. TIG cold welding for precision work. Working on thin stainless steel? The TIG cold welding mode handles 0.4 to 3 mm plates dutifully. With minimal heat distortion, it's ideal for fine detail work and ensures high-quality finishes on delicate materials. Powerful MMA function. The MMA welding mode supports 3.2 mm electrodes and is built for continuous, high-performance use. It delivers deep penetration and stability, making it perfect for structural jobs or outdoor environments with variable conditions. Compact yet powerful. Despite being loaded with features, this unit is compact and easy to transport. Its lightweight design makes it perfect for workshops, job sites, or garage use, giving you high-end performance in a space-saving build. Simple interface and controls. Don't worry if you're not a pro. The intuitive interface and digital display make switching modes and adjusting settings easy. Whether you're welding aluminum or cutting steel, setup is quick and hassle-free. Pros. Combines MIG, TIG, MMA, and plasma cutting in one unit. Excellent for aluminum and stainless steel. Compact and portable for easy movement. User-friendly interface with precise control. Great value for pros and advanced DIYers. Cons. May be overkill for casual beginners. Requires some initial setup understanding. Accessories like torches and tips might need upgrading for advanced use. Final thoughts. The Ondeli MCT 520 DPL Pro is a game-changer if you're looking for flexibility, control, and professional-grade performance in a single machine. It simplifies metalwork by offering everything you need in one compact package. This welder truly brings workshop power to your fingertips. Check the price link in the description, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Tech Kingo for more smart tech and tool updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.